What is the difference between mindfulness and somatofulness? Mindfulness is a very popular idea and practice all over the world. It is a technique of mind, just like transcendental meditation, which became extremely popular in 60s. But both these practices were plucked out of a system, magnified, researched, and put out there for mass consumption. But essentially they are reductionist, because nobody can be transformed by a single idea, single technique, single practice. We need a whole system. And also in our era of mind, thinking, technology, and artificial intelligence, we are disconnected from our body. And that is why emotional and mental health problems are rising. And also we are disconnected from the nature, so we are destroying it. Those are the twin problems of the world. And that is where somatofulness comes. Somatofulness is about connecting to our body and its life energy. And by connecting to the body and its life energy, we are connected to our world and the world of nature in an intimate way. So it is not only about many practices which somatofulness offers. Actually, it asks us to understand our somatic personality with which we were born. Because that will guide us about our sleep, our food, exercise, work, relationship, clothes, home, and what we are supposed to do. So this is a whole system which connects us to all components of life and not only a practice. And that is the basic difference between mindfulness and somatofulness.